Today we'll show you how to open settings in your Adobe Premiere Pro. Just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your application Adobe Premiere Pro and go now to File and Edit. Okay, just now to go to Edit and go now to Performance and choose one from them. Okay, you can find like maybe like the general and the brace, like, and this is the settings for audio, this is the sets for audio hardware, this is the settings for capture, this is the settings for control, device control, graphic, like a like the media, like a cache, like a memory, like a preglay, like a timeline. You can choose what you want. Okay, if you want to open the settings of your keyboards or hotkeys, okay, just go edits and go to keyboard shortcuts. This is okay, just open and we'll be fine now here all the shortcuts, and you can change what you want. This is the paints, this is the settings of your keyboard in Adobe Premiere Pro. Just follow those steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.